Hey, welcome back to this is lesson 0.2. We're going to look at how to multiply double-digit numbers. Make sure you have your note sheets handy, and whatever I write down, you write down as well. So this is a traditional multiplication problem using two double-digit numbers. I'm going to look at how to solve these right now. Let's take a look. It says Roman. Roman took 26 fishing trips this summer and caught 13 fish each time. How many total fish did Roman catch this summer? Solve using the area model. No problem. So we want to know is how many total fish. Perfect. Now, what do we know about the fish? We know he took 26 fishing trips. And each of those times, he caught 13 fish. That's kind of a lot of fishing trips and a lot of fish each time, but that's okay. Let's go with it. 26, 13. So we know to find the total, we have to do 26 times 13. And it asks us to solve using the area model. So let's just quick do a review. 26, we know can be broken down as 20 plus 6. Perfect. Now, what about this 13? 13 can be broken down to a 10 plus a 3. This is what we're going to use to set up our area model. So now we'll slide over here, and 20 plus 6, we'll put that on the top. And then 10 plus 3, we'll put down on the bottom. Perfect. Okay, so the first one is going to be 10 times 20. 10 times 20. That is going to be 10 20s, or 200. Then we're going to do 10 sixes. 10 times 6. 10 times 6 would be 60. Okay. 3 20s, 3 times 20 would be 60. And then 3 sixes, 3 times 6, 18. Okay, so using double digit and the area model, you just break down the numbers. 20 and 6 for 26, 10 and 3 for 13. Multiply, boom, boom, boom. Last step, you guessed it, you got to add these up. So, make sure you line up your place values. So that's a 200 plus 60 plus 60 plus 18. So that would be 8, 6, 12, 13. Carry the, whoops, 13. Carry up that 1, 2, 3. 338. Now, our final answer is going to be 338 fish. Boom. Okay, that's a review using the area model. Now let's take a peek at partial product. Let's do it. Read and solve. New problem this time. Pardon me while I erase the old problem. Okay. Read and solve. Jimmy and Jay started a lawn mowing business. Their goal was to mow 37 lawns per week for the 12 weeks of summer. How many total lawns was their goal? Solve using partial product. Okay. Partial product. Very similar to the area model in that you break down the numbers by their place value. Different in this, the fact that it's lined up a little bit different. Let me show you. So what do we know? We know the problem is going to be 37 times 12. 37 times 12. Okay, first thing, let's break down these numbers. 37 is going to be a 30 plus 7. 12 is going to be a 10 plus 2. So all you're doing is you're distributing the numbers that you're going to multiply. So let's start with our 30. 30 times 10. And then we go 7 times 10. Back to the 30. 30 times 2. Back to the 7. 7 times 2. Let's multiply these. 30 times 10 is 300. 7 times 10 is 70. 30 times 2 is 60. 7 times 2 is 14. Add them up, again, making sure the place values are lined up. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 0, 0, 0, 4. 7, I'm sorry, 6 and 1 is 7, plus 7 is 14. Carry up that 1. 3 and 4. My answer is 444. You see how it's similar to the area model in that all we're doing is we're just multiplying 30 times the 10 and then the 30 times the 2. It's very similar, just lined up a little bit different. Some people prefer this way, other people prefer the area model. Doesn't matter. And in fact, in this question right here, I just want you to pick a way and try it. It says, read and solve using partial product or the area model. So you get to choose whichever one you would like to do. And I'll always say that in class. Doesn't matter how you do it. Some people do it this way, some people do it that way. As long as we're pushing toward that right answer, we're good to go. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video. Try this problem on your own. Unpause it, and then we'll bring it back. Here it is. Cody. Cody counted that there are 24 desks in each classroom in LE. If there were 45 classrooms, how many total desks are there in classrooms? So we know we've got to take our 24 desks, multiply by 45. So 24 times 45. Let's start with the area model. So for those of you who chose to do the area model, that's where you're just going to set up your squares. And I know 24 is going to be 20 plus 4, and 45 is going to be 40 plus 5. Awesome. Wherever there's that plus sign, draw those lines. Perfect. So now, let's multiply. 4 times 2 is going to be 8 and 2 zeros. 44s is going to be 4 times 4 is 16, add that 0. 5 20s is going to be 10. 5 times 2 is 10 plus your 0. And then 5 times 4 is 20. Last step, add them up. So we're going to take our 800 plus our 160 plus our 100 plus our 20. So that would be 0, 8, 8, 9, 10. My answer is there are 1,080 total desks. That's using the area model. Let's try the partial product method. So this we'll call the partial product. And same thing, it's just 24 times 45. 24 times 45. Perfect. 24, we know breaks down to be 20 plus 4. And 45 breaks down to be 40 plus 5. Now we're just going to distribute. Let's do it. Start with 20. We're going to go 20 times 40. Okay. Still with the 20. Now we're going to go 20 times 5. Okay. We've done 20 times 40. 20 times 5. Slide over to the 4. So now we're going to go 4 times 40. And then we're going to go 4 times 5. Pretty similar to this, just lined up differently. 2 times 4 is going to be 8 and 2 zeros. 2 times 5 is going to be 10 plus a 0. 4 times 40 is going to be 160. And 4 times 5 is 20. Add those up. 0, 8, 8, 9, 10. Would you look at that? Doesn't matter how you solve it. 1080, 1080. Bring this note sheet with you to class. See you tomorrow.